afternoon, folks. Mike here, MustachePaintball.com. Here with my friend Chris at PootyPaintball.com. I'm going to use his VCOM and his Insight with my Luxe to kind of show you guys a sound signature comparison between the three high-end guns. So we're not going to get fancy. We're just going to show you what they sound like on the business end of the gun per se. So first off, we'll go with the Insight. This is Chris's very gorgeous silver and pink Insight. You can probably find this on his website. That's the Insight. Next, we're going to do the VCOM. This is another one of Chris's amazing jobs. It's the lime and dust pink with gloss lime splash. Very, very, very nice looking gun. I mean, this makes me seriously want to get a pink and green gun. Alright. And then lastly is my gorgeous stash gun. I'm a little, it's my proud father moment here. My Mustache gun with my custom-made spire. This one's shooting semi-automatic, the other two was on PSP, so there you have it. Sound signature comparison, hope you enjoy. Alright, this is from behind, the user's perspective of shooting these three guns. I got Chris at Pooty Paintball's Insight here. Check out his site if you want to see this beloved beauty. It's absolutely gorgeous in person, by the way. But we're going to do behind the user shooting video sound signature of the three guns, Insight, VCOM, and Luxe. Next is the VCOM. This is lime and pink, dust pink with a lime splash. Very, very pretty. Very smooth. I'm very impressed with it. And last is my personal favorite, my Mustache Luxe. I'm shooting this semi, the other were ramp, so hope I turn the spire on. Those are the three. Any questions, feel free to email me, Mike at MustachePaintball.com, Chris at PootyPaintball.com. You can check out my site, MustachePaintball.com, and Chris at PootyPaintball.com. Thank you very much, folks. I appreciate it.